How to find Clipboard on an iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me guide you quick and easy on how you can find Clipboard on your iPhone. Well, as like Android, there is no any separate Clipboard application on an iPhone as well. So you won't be able to find it separate application or separate format or separate list. However, if you copy or have copied certain text, for example, if I just copy this text here, and now you head over to type a text message, or if you head over to type something, then if you tap and hold on the blank space before the text here, you'll be able to see paste option and you'll be able to see autofill. If you tap on paste here, you'll be able to see the paste option here, right? And you'll be able to paste it. And if you tap and select something and look up, you'll be able to look it up. I'll just copy this again. And if I do it again, if I tap and hold on certain space, I'll be able to see paste, select all, and autofill option only. So the clipboard option itself isn't accessible directly on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.